Hi, today I will explain how to create page, how to create post, how to upload media, how to use comment option, appearance, plugin, users, tools, and settings. I will explain so. Please subscribe my channel and like and comment in this video if and give me your opinion how and of this video. So go to starts. I created WordPress dashboard and I am logging this dashboard. If you don't have WordPress dashboard, you can see my previous video how to install WordPress, how to create WordPress freely and smoothly. You can create freely WordPress website for 3 months. You can see my previous video, and today I am going to show you how to create how to apply WordPress dashboard, how to how to use WordPress for your video for your website. I am show you my WordPress website. This is my website and how to use this website, how to install this. Today first of all, I think I show you I am show you how to install a theme. Just going to appearance means you are seeing your website is systematically, your website design and your website structure means appearance. You can customize all from appearance, and I am going to show you how to design your structure using appearance.